situation test, 50% for CAT, 30% weightage for GAT, and 20% for situation test. So all UG design program, fashion design, textile design, any other design, entrance exam is same. So you should not be worried about the course at the moment.
Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute.
Everyone, today we will be discussing about NIFT 2022. Is there any different entrance exam for all these UG program? No. So for all UG design program, there is a one single entrance exam, and the pattern which we are going to discuss today in this video, exam pattern, syllabus, everything is same. So at the moment you should not be worried about UG design pattern. So all UG design program, which I named it fashion design, textile design, any other design, entrance exam is same. So you should not be worried about the course at the moment. First, parallelly you can do your research. You can also connect us on the Instagram Ignite_India, and you can ask your question if you have any doubt which course is better, whether fashion design have good placement or textile design have good placement, or what kind of job you will be offered after passing out from the fashion communication design. Any kind of question if you have, ask and we will answer you, but you should focus on the entrance exam, so that first of all you will be clearing the entrance exam, then you can choose the course. Now UG technology, math, physics and chemistry subject should be there in your 12th. Design, PG technology, PG management. So PG design entrance exam pattern we will be discussing in this video. PG technology, this also we are going to discuss, and PG management, this also we are going to discuss. In this video we will be discussing when NIFT 2022 notification, when your admission process will start. So NIFT 2022 form will be out in November 2021. This is expected date. So in this month sometime, or maybe next month first week, forms will be out. And the moment form will be out, you should fill the form. You should not wait till the last date. An exam is expected in mostly in Feb 2020, but you should be prepared and you should keep in mind it's a January 2022 or February 2022. So you can keep in mind. So these are the timeline which you have for the NIFT 2022 entrance exam, and these are the courses which you can apply. And as I explained you, for all UG design program, entrance exam pattern is same. PG technology, this is different. PG design, PG technology, PG management, all these exam have different exam patterns. So let's discuss about the exam pattern. So Bachelor of Design, all UG, CAT 50% weightage, GAT 30% weightage, and situation test this year will be 20%. So last year, because of COVID, situation test was not there, and last year also situation test was not there, but this year most probably situation test will be there, and this will be the format of your entrance exam. CAT, GAT and situation test, 50% for CAT, 30% weightage for GAT and 20% for situation test. Now Masters of Design, CAT 40%, GAT 30% and GDPI 30% paper pattern for Masters of Design program. Bachelors of Fashion Technology, GAT, so only one paper will be there, 100%. So this we will be discussing in the video what kind of question pattern will be there and how you can prepare, we will be discussing in this video. Masters of Fashion Technology, 2 paper will, so one will be GAT and one will be this will be the exam, written exam, and GDPI will be 30% weightage. So GAT 70% and GDPI 30%. Masters of Fashion Technology. So this for all campuses, one single exam will be there. There won't be separate exam for different NIFT campus. Based on your rank, you will be offered NIFT campus where you have to complete your study and you will get degree from the NIFT. Curriculum, everything is same in all and the quality of education is the same across all NIFT center. Let's move to the next. General Ability Test, GAT.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CET, UCET, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.
Language of written test, English and Hindi. So you can write this exam paper in English and Hindi. Test duration 2 hours. So selection, number of question, quantitative ability 20 marks, right? 20. So communication ability, B design 25, M design 30. English comprehension 25 marks B design, 30 marks M design. Analytic ability, B design 15 marks, M design 25 marks. General knowledge and current affairs, B design 15 marks, M design 15 marks. Total 100, and this side you can see total is 120. So here you have total number of questions to solve 100. M design you have to solve 120 questions. So, and moving to the next, general ability test, BF Tech, MF Tech, MFM. All right. So all these courses, number of question 150 question in BF Tech, 150 question in MF Tech, and 150 question of MFM. Language of written test, English, Hindi. So all the question will be in both bilingual, English and Hindi. So you can write your so question paper will be in Hindi and English both. Duration will be 180 minutes, means 3-hour paper. Sections, number of questions, quantitative ability 30, communication ability and English comprehension 45, analytic and logical ability 25, general knowledge and current affairs 25, case study 25, total 150. This is for BF Tech. MF Tech. So it's the same here in BF Tech and MF Tech. It's the same. MFM, Masters of Fashion Management. Here it is different. Quantitative ability 10 marks, communication ability and English comprehension 50 marks, analytic and logical ability 25 marks, general knowledge and current affairs 25 marks, case study 40 marks, and total 150 questions. So you can see, and you can differentiate how question patterns are different from BF Tech, MF Tech, MFM, and whichever course you are aspiring, you can apply.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CET, UCET, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having a 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.